Hi folks, my name's Ken.Quick. I'm a retired teacher and coach from Idaho. Today I get to show you around this 2019 Four Winds 27R. Great little floor plan on this coach. We'll start right here in the bedroom. We've got closet space here in the back. Some drawers down below. King size bed in this coach. TV right up here. These corner bathrooms, you got quite a bit of room. You got a vanity in the corner and some storage up above. As we move out, there's more storage right here that goes all the way back in, probably arm's length. And then right here, we've got a pantry right next to the refrigerator. Refrigerator's going to have freezer up above, fridge down below, storage up above here. As we look across, we've got a little extension here next to the sink. Great big deep one sink, big sink, stainless steel. We've got storage up above here, microwave, 3-burner top right here with a cover. Also an oven down below. Over here we've got our couch. Got cup holders back there. Big windows in this coach, really nice. Love the seating in here. You got your table right here, and across on this side you've got the dinette. So if you have people in here, you can have a conversation. Seat probably 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 people right here. A lot of big storage up above here. Spot for your DVD player. Big TV over here in the corner. Huge TV, probably I'm going to guess 36 at least, maybe 40. Sleeping up above with a ladder. Got your vent here. One window on this side. Nice cockpit here. You've got heated mirrors. You've got electric mirrors. Really well appointed coach. Very nice. Comfortable. This coach, you can see that we have LED lights underneath the awning. We are currently up at a show here in Albany. The LED lights, push button, electric awning, makes it really nice. TV outside. Some storage compartments underneath. Right here you got a quick coupler for barbecue. Just plug your gas hose into that and you're ready to cook up some steaks. A little crowded in here today, so we're not going to get around the back side, but it's got everything that you need to go camping. If you have any questions about this coach or any other coach, I go by coach, so give me a call, 208-250-8625. Thanks a lot, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.